Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're going to talk about the best Tide 92 ounces liquid laundry detergent with a touch of Downy, and why it's a fantastic choice for your laundry needs. Tide has long been recognized as one of the top laundry detergent brands, and their touch of Downy formula takes things to a whole new level. This 92 ounces bottle, sold in a pack of 5, is perfect for families or anyone who does frequent laundry loads. It combines the powerful cleaning action of Tide with the added softness and fresh scent of Downy fabric softener. This means you get a clean that you can see, with the softness that you can feel, and a delightful scent that lingers on your clothes. One of the standout features of this detergent is its ability to leave your clothes feeling fluffy and soft, which is something many detergents often fail to deliver. The formula is designed to clean deep while giving your fabrics a gentle touch. It's perfect for those who want their laundry to come out smelling fresh and feeling soft every time. The scent of Tide's original touch of Downy is another reason why it's so popular. It's not overpowering but offers a subtle, pleasant fragrance that lasts long after the wash. Whether it's your favorite t-shirts or a fresh batch of sheets, the clean, fresh scent is always there to greet you. Tide Touch of Downy liquid laundry detergent is also easy to use. The 92 ounces bottle provides a large quantity, which means you get more washes per bottle, making it a cost-effective solution for those looking to stock up. You'll find that it's well suited for both standard and high-efficiency washing machines, making it versatile and ideal for any laundry setup. Moreover, it's formulated to tackle even the toughest stains. Whether it's dirt, food, or sweat, this detergent handles a variety of stains with ease, leaving your clothes looking brand new. Plus, with the added fabric softener, it works to preserve the integrity of your fabrics, ensuring that your clothes stay in great condition even after multiple washes. If you're someone who values both cleanliness and softness in your laundry, this detergent is a must-try. It's reliable, effective, and works wonders for keeping your clothes fresh and soft. So, if you haven't already, consider making Tide Touch of Downy your go-to detergent. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.